The day on which the JEE advanced result came, I cried a lot because I was obsessed with IIT and the rank that I secured that could not bring me any so-called good branch in any good IIT. But I can still recall the day when GATE result came and I secured AIR 31. I can get anything that I want.
Sorry, sorry.
I want. Any PSU, any IIT, IIS. So, which were the main mistakes that I made during my JEE days and how did I rectify those during my GATE days? About that only I will talk in this video. Now, before talking about my JEE days, let me give you a brief background. I have studied from Ramakrishna Mission Vidyalaya, Narendrapur, which is one of the best schools in West Bengal. And I ranked, as far as I recall, 6th in my class, 8th, 9th, and 10th science. Okay. So that rank built a toxic overconfidence. Okay. Because believe me or not, from that days, and now it is more and more in that direction, that if you have marks in science, then you are good in science. But that is not the thing. If you want to understand science, then you are good in science. So I built that toxic overconfidence. And I was like, Ki, I will surely crack IIT. There is no doubt in that. Okay, there was a toxic overconfidence in me. Now, based on this scenario, let me talk about the first mistake that I made during my JEE. Now, this was not my mistake, but this was actually the wrong guidance. I will not take the name of that coaching center or of that particular teacher who built a particular concept in my mind that you have to get to the answer. No matter how, by hook or by crook, you have to get to the answer in the JEE examination, both in mains and advanced. So I thought that okay, physics is that much easy. I just have to memorize this small formula and that will do. So I approached the problems of physics in that mentality. Okay. And believe me or not, most of the GATE coaching center faculties, they will also tell you first that better memorize this, memorize that. You have memorized this approach. This kind of, problems will come. Okay. Very few teachers are there who will tell you, no, understand the deep concept. So these are the commonalities in the coaching centers of any examination, be it JEE or be it GATE. Okay. So now, because I had that mentality, afterwards, when I was given a very fundamental problem of physics, then I was not able to solve it because I don't have the fundamentals. Okay. I was thinking, no, most of the problems in JEE mains and advanced will come from this formula and then I will solve. I can remember a particular teacher who used to teach like this. Ki beta, this formula has 4 variables. That means 4 type of mathematical problems can be made from this formula. I was like, serious? I mean, right now, when I think about these things, I'm like, seriously? So, there is a particular physics teacher who teaches like this. So, these are the detrimental things. So, if you are someone who is in your class 10th and 11th or 12th, please choose your physics, maths, and chemistry teacher very judiciously who will teach you from the basics. Now, these are my JEE mistakes. Now, during my GATE, I am thankful to my college teachers, college professors. So they used to teach. I can still, recall the first day of my engineering mechanics that the teacher actually started from the very basics that I have already studied during my class 11th and class 12th. So I was like, कि ये सब तो मैं जानता हूँ. लेकिन based on that basics, he first built the foundation and then he went up to the advanced level engineering mechanics. So that is the approach that you should be following. So I can actually recall that not only in engineering mechanics, but in strength of materials, thermodynamics. Obviously, some of the subjects were taught very bad in the college also. But if you don't have those kind of good teaching resources in your college, you can always refer to the NPTEL lectures. In NPTEL lectures, you can find a lot of lectures, okay, from which you can rectify this mistake of not studying the subjects from basics. If you want to know that what are the free and best resources, then this is the source. Clear? Now the second mistake, and this is very interesting, having a friend circle. Now the moment I say this thing, you will jump on me and say, तो क्या दोस्त बनाना बंद कर दूं क्या है बस एक मतलब should I be a nerd and like I should fix myself on a in a room and should I study all the day? No, I am not telling about that. So during my JEE days, I mean throughout my school days, I was having a lot of good friends. I did not know that what depression means. Okay. So now in this regard, I want to give you an example. So whenever I was getting bad marks in any of the tests, then my friends were there to tell me that देख यार मुझे भी ऐसा मिला है छोड़ते जाने दे अगले एग्जाम में देखेंगे या फिर अरे यार लाइफ ऐसा ही है हमेशा जो भी है ठीक है तो लाइफ वाइज so this thing is actually very good in some way but is actually very detrimental in some way. So I will not blame them, okay, because every one of us were in a same situation. Okay, so the thing was that if you are having these kind of friends who will tell you that see I am also in the same situation, then don't worry at all. So first of all, because of this, you will not get any kind of frustration, any kind of depression. But because of this, you will be unaware from the reality. You will not be knowing that, okay, this is not the thing. This is the thing about which I should be worrying about. Okay. So in my JEE days, I used to think that because my friends are doing the same, my friends are also getting bad marks, only 2 or 3 boys are I mean getting very good marks, that means in the country also the scenario would be something like that. That is the 90% of the students are taking it lightly and I am not from the 90% of the students for sure. But these things are not the reality. Okay. I mean, even if it is the 90% of the students in any examination who are taking that examination lightly, but still the 10% remaining students, the number of those students are also very large. Okay, then you have actually a very broad competition. Okay, so the hack is first option. If you are that much mature that you can hang out with your friends, you can enjoy with your friends, but you will not be affected by these kind of words that छोड़ दे जाने दे अरे घूमने चलते ये करते वो करते. If you can restrict yourself from these kind of things, at the same time you will not restrict yourself from enjoying with your friends, then you are really lucky that if you have that maturity. But believe me, 99% of us, we don't have that maturity that we can indulge in a restricted environment, a restricted enjoyment, but at the same time, we will not be affected by those kind of dialogues. Ki, जाने दे, चलता है. Okay, so the second option which I took during my BA preparation was that I narrowed down my friends. There were handful of friends, only 3, 4 or maximum 5 friends with whom I will talk, with whom I will hang out, with whom I will spend my time. So you have to narrow down that zone. It can be your friend, it can be your girlfriend or boyfriend, it can be your mother, father, sister, or anyone to whom you can be yourself, and they will not say you कि बेटा जाने दो सब हो जाएगा. They will obviously support you in your tough time, but also they will tell you that to get success in your life, you have to work hard. There is no other situation. You have to struggle. You have to bear those tears. Okay? You have to find those type of friends who will not drag you out of the reality, at the same time who will support you at the tough time. If I give you the example of my best friend come girlfriend, so during my GATE examination when I was getting bad marks, I can still recall that I used to call her And she used to tell me that don't worry, you work hard as much as you can, but whatever happens, I am always there for you. Okay, so these kind of friends you don't I mean don't come up and don't argue with me that I don't have a boyfriend or girlfriend. You don't need a boyfriend or girlfriend. This can be anyone, as I have said earlier. Okay. Third thing, lack of proper plan. So when I say this thing, this sounds very obvious, right? But from where it actually originates, right? Because from the day one, every one of us is like, यार यार तोड़ देंगे इस महीने ये पढ़ूंगा इस दिन ये पढ़ूंगा वो दिन वो पढ़ूंगा. So this originates from two things. First, joining in a coaching center, both for JEE and GATE examination. Okay, if you join in a coaching center, you are like, okay, now the all the responsibilities are there. I will join that coaching. I don't care anymore. Now they will tell me what I have to do. When I have to wake up, when I have to poop, when I have to eat my breakfast, when I have to go with my girlfriend. सब कुछ बता देंगे क्या वो. लेकिन हम लोग ऐसे ही सोचते हैं. So during my JEE days, I made this mistake that I was studying in a lot of coaching centers, and I was thinking ki if I am studying for that 2 or 3 hours in that coaching center, that will suffice. And and really, the coaching faculties also guided us like that. Said if you can solve only these problems, that will be enough. Okay, but that is not the reality. In GATE, during my GATE preparation, I did not join any coaching center, and I had my own preparation plan. Now, for those who have already joined the coaching center, am I telling you that leave that coaching center? No. You have to understand that from that coaching center, what I can get extra. The one thing that you can get extra is a right in front of guidance. So if you are stuck with a particular question, and if you are seeing that our teacher is available to you, then you should ask the doubt right in front of them. That is the one and only thing I think that is most valuable that you can get from a coaching center. Other than that, if you are thinking that they will tell me everything, when to study, what to study, no, believe me, no. Because in any so-called established coaching center, they have thousands of students, right? And they don't care that मुझे बस आपके लिए ही काम करना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. तुम लोग ऐसा मत सोचो कि I have paid money, that means this teacher will be dedicated for me. No. First of all, if they see that okay, this boy is inherently having a great potential, then they will invest time on you because they see profit on you because they are very intelligent. They know that this guy will crack GATE with a good rank. Then I can advertise by this guy. But if they see that this guy is not inherently very intelligent, this guy will surely end up with a rank of 1000 no matter how good I teach. Then they will be like, छोड़ देंगे ऊपर ऊपर से कि बेटा हाँ ये कर लो वो कर लो. So that is why even if you are studying in a coaching, then other than those 2 or 3 hours that you are studying in that coaching center, you have to analyze everything by yourself, starting from the subject knowledge to the routine that how should I study, when should I complete each and every subject. That you have to bring that schedule, you have to make that schedule by your own, and that schedule should be unique to your own situation. Now, if you are enough sufficiently confused by all these kind of talks, then this is the video that you should follow where I have described in detail that how can you make your own unique preparation strategy, no matter if you have a 24/7 for GATE or if you have a college responsibility, if you are a college going student, or if you are a person who is working from 9 to 5. For all of you, there is a detailed guide that how to make your own preparation strategy. And believe me, this is the first step that you should follow if you are serious about your GATE or any other examination preparation. Things should be unique to you because you are unique. And finally, and probably the most important point is the enjoyment versus success. Now, the moment I pronounce these kind of phrases, people think that I need to give up all the enjoyments. So, but you need to give up unscheduled enjoyments, unscheduled, unaware, or those kind of enjoyments which you are doing mindlessly. For example, during my JE days, I was not having any kind of routine कि अब मुझे इतने बजे पढ़ना है, अब मुझे इतने बजे ये करना है. So every day I was going to the playground and that was very good actually, and I also suggest you to go to the playground. Okay. But other than that, in the study hall also, I was gossiping. During the free time, I was either sleeping or I was gossiping and I was thinking कि यार हो जाएगा. Okay. But यही तो जिंदगी है. And this particular phrase कि यही तो जिंदगी है, that you can find in your college days more and more and more. कि बेटा अब नहीं जियोगे तो कब जियोगे अपने. एंड वन मोर फ्रेज, जब तुम मतलब बड़े हो जाओगे तो अपने बच्चों को क्या सुनाओगे? यही सुनाओगे ना कि मैंने बहुत दारू पिया है, बहुत ही ये सब किया, बट आई कुड नॉट क्रैक दिस. ओके, राइट? यही सब कुछ सुनाओगे. सो you have to understand that enjoyment also should be predefined, well defined, and enjoyment should be scheduled. Now, during my school days, I was having enjoyments undefined, unscheduled. Whenever my friends were calling, I was going with them. But during my grade days, I defined that every day, almost every day, I have to meet my girlfriend. And these days, I have to go to that party, not because I want to be cool, not because I have a FOMO, but because I care about those friends who will be there in that party. So you have to define your enjoyment, that these things really give me enjoyment, I mean happiness and fulfillment. And these things I really do care about, and these persons really care about. And that is why I will join this enjoyment, and that is why I will not join this enjoyment. And you have to ensure that enjoyment should not interfere with your goals or studies. Okay, this is very important. Now, how to schedule your particular day and how I used to do it, for that you can go to this video where I have told that exactly about which things I precisely took care about when I was scheduling my day during my GATE examination preparation, when I was doing it with college and with a lot of responsibilities. So these were the 4 points. If I have to summarize, first is have a proper guidance. That I made the mistake during my JE days. That guidance actually ruined my basics of physics. Secondly, that friend circle. You have to narrow down your friend circle if you want to go up in your life. You have to narrow down your friend circle. Choose those friends who are helping in your goal, not who are dragging you from the reality. This mistake I made during my JE days. Third, have a proper plan. Not having a proper plan is like a ship without any proper destination, right? This is a very much famous dialogue. So have a proper plan and don't have that coaching, dependency, that I have joined a coaching, then it will, help me in all the way. It will help me in all the way. No, don't have that kind of mentality. And fourth, enjoyment versus success. Enjoyment, you don't have to give up everything for your success. Okay, because that is not success. But you have to predefine, you have to pre-schedule all your enjoyments so that they don't interfere with your success. With that, I am concluding this video. Now, if you are someone who wants to connect with me, like a one-to-one GATE consultancy session or a one-to-one mock interview for ISRO, BARC, DRDO, IIT, ISC, or any kind of research organization, then let me tell you, I have already started my own consultancy sessions, and every week, Friday, you will get a video along with the link of a Google form that you have to fill if you want to book a session with me. So, I am very excited to meet with you, And other than that, if you feel that this guy is doing something for you, please subscribe this video, and I will subscribe this channel and like this video and share this video. And I know that they will do it. And thank you so much. I will meet you in the next time. Until that, goodbye, take care, and thanks.